What's up, Nova Electric fans? Sorry I sound raspy, it's my morning voice. It is about 7:30 in the morning. And yeah, we are just heading down to school now. It is cloudy and gloomy, but I see blue in the sky, so that's a good indication. So I'm not making a mistake riding this today instead of driving. Okay, I'm here now. I'll see you guys after class. Peace. Okay, welcome back, guys. I'm back here again after school now. Just gonna head home now. Let's get to it. Man, I just love this thing. God, it's rush hour, so it's a nightmare here. Hello? 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 That was weird. I got a phone call, but then they hung up on me. We are back on Squirtle. Woo! She's peppy today. It's about 3 degrees right now. I'm just on my way to school, and that was a cop car. Yeah, it's really goddamn cold. My legs are frozen already. And I hope you guys are enjoying the videos I'm putting out for you. Sorry for the camera view from last week's video. I hope this one's better. I still have to check it with the app, but at the moment I can't do that. Can't multitask while I'm on here, so yeah. Holy shit, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Ooh, windy and cold. Ooh. I hope to be on the bike a little more often, just cause I like being on this bike. I'll bring back the TC out once in a while. Haven't ridden that one in a while, so I'll probably be doing that next video. Not sure where I'm gonna go though. That thing is limited range. Ooh, this is a really nasty cold. Yeah, lately I've been taking my car to work. Not work, sorry, school recently. And then, yeah, back to work soon, so maybe I'll take my bike to work. Honestly, right now, like with these dark ass clouds, it really depends on the weather, if I'm gonna bring her out or not. Like nobody really wants to ride in the rain. This garbage weather from BC. But it's supposed to be sunny today, so I'm crossing my fingers on that. That's why I brought her out. But these clouds are not making me confident about it anymore. I was gonna wear my Ride Rich jacket, but I decided not to because that was more of like a summer kind of jacket. This one's more of my winter one because it has fleece lining on the inside, or like some type of lining, so not too bad. It looks like shit weather right now. Hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully it's parking. Really hope there's parking. Okie dokie. Could go right there. Okay, we are here. I'll see you guys after school. What's up, guys? I got something in my eye. Oh my god. Just finished school. Just on my way home now. Oh, you slow motherfuckers. I'm sweating now. It was really cold this morning and now I am sweating. At a stoplight again. Stop and go, stop and go. That's one of the benefits of having an electric bike. You don't waste gas really, you just waste battery, but you're not paying for much really. Woohoo! We're actually moving. Okay, this about does it for today's video. As usual, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.